Jordan here from Team CronoTek, and today I'll be trying to cable manage my setup. As of now, it's kind of everywhere, it's not really clean, and it's been driving me nuts. I don't really have any store-bought cable management tools, but I'll be trying to use what I have around the house to clean it up a little bit. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so this is basically what I'm working with here. You know, some cord, zip ties, you know, tape, command strips, Velcro. That's about it. Alright, so this is what I'm working with right now. Yeah, nice and pretty cables. It goes everywhere. Yeah, not too pretty. Hopefully we can clean it up a little bit. I don't really have too much to work with here under the desk, but I have some ideas and hopefully they will work out. So I have my switch on my little shelf right here, and the cables were coming in and out of it. It was kind of ugly. So I'm trying to figure out a way using these little Velcro strips here to secure either underneath my little desk right here or whatever. Let's figure it out. Let's move this out of the way. This massive case. Oh my goodness. So, by the way, Corsair 750D Airflow Edition. It's not the prettiest case by today's standards, you know. Plastic here. It's got drive cages and CD-ROM cages. That's not removable. So by today's standards, it's not the prettiest or coolest, but it's full-size tower. Came with plenty of fans. I love it. It's huge. Plenty of room to build inside and expand for drives and whatnot. So I love it. Alright everyone, so I just finished up here. All I used was zip ties. Zip ties and Velcro command strips. I'm pretty pleased with the results. You know, there's a lot of better products out there that can help you with this, and it'll be much cleaner, but for just zip ties, I'm pretty pleased. As you can see, the power strip is no longer on the ground. I ended up mounting it underneath here. At least it's off the ground, so I'm no longer going to be kicking it with my feet and whatnot. I'm not too pleased with how this turned out. I didn't want to do too many bends on the cables here. They do sell little sleeves you can put on here and it'll look really nice, but I don't have anything like that. Ended up moving my switch for my shelf down underneath here, so it's much cleaner and it's still easy to get to and whatnot. Yeah, pretty pleased. Thanks for watching everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram at Team CronoTek.